Most people think building an app is just coding when there's actually 5 stages involved, and most people fail at stage 1. I'm going to go over what all 5 of those stages are and how you can conquer all of them. The first stage you're going to hit is idea and research. And when most people are coming up with their app idea, they are trying to validate the app idea instead of trying to validate the problem that the app solves. Okay, 1 in 4 people will delete an app after one-time use, and that is not a coding issue, that is not a functionality issue, that is a why does this app exist issue. The second stage is designing the user experience and the user interface. Having a bad design for your app is the fastest way to kill it. If people don't instantly understand what to do, they're gone. Especially in this era of vibe coding when everything kind of looks the same, you really want to put your own touches on this. Try to take screenshots of other apps that have good design, create your own color palette for your app, and just try to avoid the vibe coded look as much as possible. Stage 3 is development, and this stage is one of the hardest, okay? This is the development of your app. This is your front end, your back end, your APIs, your logic. Okay, vibe coding is good. It can get you past a lot of this stuff, but if you just do a little bit of research and try to really understand the structure of how everything is laid out and what it's doing, it will help you tremendously when you're building. Stage 4 is testing. Once you have your app almost ready for production, you want to try to break it as much as possible. You want to try to find what is not working, okay? You want to test it on different screen sizes. You want to test it on older versions of iOS. You want to test as a user, trying to, input weird things into the app, see if everything's still working correctly or if anything breaks. You want to make sure that your app is foolproof. Stage 5 is the launch and reality. Okay, once your app is ready to launch, this is where the marketing comes in. This is where you are trying to get as many eyes on your app as possible. And then once you actually do get eyes on your app and you start getting users, that's where all of the updates come in and the bug fixes and feature requests. It really never ends, and you have to prepare for that. Those are the 5 stages of building an app. Give me a follow if you want more content like this, or if you just want to keep up to date with this crazy AI space.